I'm honored to be today with Eddie Tebbutt. Eddie is a fitter and turner by trade with 28 years of hands-on experience. Eddie's risen through the ranks from master artisan to site supervisor to fixed plant manager, where he is today. Still hands-on, and he's still getting the job done on site. Companies that Eddie has worked for include British American Tobacco, Board Longyear out of Australia, Anglo American, BHP Billiton, Harmony Gold. These giants of heavy industry have all globally respected names. And they also share one more thing in common, is that they have Eddie making sure their plant continues to run smoothly. Eddie, thank you for being here. It's a pleasure to get to know you somewhat, and I look forward to some more details as we go along in this interview.
Thank you very much for having me, and I'll give you a lot of detail if you want.
Okay, that sounds great. I guess the first thing, keeping in mind what employers would like to know, shall we start off with the formal and informal qualifications?
Trade tested as a fitter and turner, artisan. Did supervisory courses, safety courses, and my managerial I did through UNISA, that's the University of South Africa. As you said, my experience is 28 years in the production, in processing industry, in the mining industry, in the manufacturing industry, in the construction industry. So yes, I've been there, done that. Photo of some of my team members, we were together. You can see it's still cold in our freezer jackets there. The next photo to the right is part of our pump station and the vibrating screen. Photo bottom left is where we replaced the vibrating screen. You can see the one on the ground is the old one, and then the other one is rigged to the mobile crane, so we can replace it. The photo in the center there is we were busy opening up a pump that was choked with rocks and vegetation. And then the photo far right is actually the whole pump station site that I'm currently responsible for, making sure that people's working safe and the production goes fluently. In total, we've got 38 pumps that needs to be maintained. We are pumping, we are doing remining of old mine dams. We're pumping it from our site to the central processing plant, which is 16 kilometers away, for which I'm also responsible to maintain those lines and have them in place, which in the early stages gave us a lot of problems, but that was also resolved by some teamwork and initiative that we all put in and to make that work. People working currently reporting directly to me is 12, but on site is 64 people on site. Any contractor coming onto site, I'm also responsible for making sure that they have got the correct paperwork in place to do their work safe and to work safe during the process of doing work on site. I've got a lot of industry mechanical skills and technical skills that would benefit anybody. I've had people that have been working for years, working like this, and one day you just come past them and you said to them, listen, just move your hand a little bit like this. You make them, in a good way, in a good sense, you make them see that this is how it can be done, or where the change can be, and so forth. The different industries that I've been working in, that's given me experience. Like I said, in the production industry, like manufacturing industry, the construction industry, that's given me that experience that I carry with me, that I can share with everybody else, that I can help with everybody else. Those experiences are analyzing planning, my improving processes, helping people to work safer, better, faster, so that that person also feels better at the end of the day. Everybody wants to envision themselves at the top, but like I showed, you can see through my career path, I've always started at the bottom and worked myself up to a point where either I was retrenched or some issue I had to go from one company to another company. So I always work myself up. I always prove myself to be worth what I'm saying I am. Never too old to learn. You're never too old to share your experiences. Yeah, so I've got a container ship full of experience that I can bring over that can be applied all over New Zealand. So yeah.